Hi everyone, Kim Flynn here with E Simplified, and that is our first big announcement. If you haven't heard already, we're changing our name from Entrepreneur Simplified to E Simplified. Let me tell you the two reasons we're doing this. First of all, every single time anyone on my team would meet anyone and we're giving out our email address, we'd have to spell E-N-T-R-E-P-R-E-N-E-U-R. It was awful. So every single time, I'm so tired of spelling that. So we definitely changed it and made it a lot easier that way. So we simplified our name. So again, we're now E Simplified. Our website currently is esimplifiedtraining.com. We're working on getting esimplified.com. Some mysterious person in India that we cannot contact owns it. Dang it. So anyway, that's our new website, esimplifiedtraining.com, until further notice. We also have some big news. This year, we're going to be even more transparent. So I sat down with my marketing team and we came up with a plan for how we can really show you what it's like behind the scenes to grow this business. So instead of me just sitting here chatting at you, at you, I want to chat with you. I want to show you what goes on behind the scenes here. So you're going to get to know my team. We're going to be super transparent, let you know that we're pushing to 10 million this year. Yay! And I want to show you exactly what a $10 million company looks like behind the scenes. I'm going to show you all of my challenges, all of our frustrations. It's going to be kind of like a badly produced reality TV show with a very low budget and one videographer. So don't expect Bachelor, y'all, because that's not going to happen. So that's really exciting. So every single week, we're going to put out a new video showing you like what's going on behind the scenes and teaching lessons to you as we learn them and showing you kind of how we run our company. So I'm really excited about that. I'm excited also to do videos that are more just me. I told my videographer I can do more videos, but I freaking hate doing hair and makeup every single day. Like I can't even do it. Like, you know, if I do hair and makeup, it's just for when my clients get here. I don't want to do hair and makeup every single day. So I'm going to be on video with no hair, no makeup. How's that for transparent and authentic this year? And I have my daughter doing my eyelashes now, so I always look somewhat like a girl. So anyway, that's what we're doing this year. I'm so excited to have you join me. Please post in the comments what kind of behind the scenes you would like to see, and we can show that to you. So again, we're just going to pull the green curtain back and show you everything that it takes to run a $10 million company. And we have also big news this year. We're going to buy a building this year, so that's a big deal. So lots of fun stuff coming at you. Anyway, Kim Flynn here. Have fun this week, you guys, and as always, remember to play big in your business.